Welcome to Trading Factory. In this video, I'll describe an extremely successful triple super trend trading strategy using the Heiken Ashi indicator. This trading system is ideal for both novice and experienced traders. It can produce signals with a risk-to-reward ratio of 4-to-1, and on rare occasions even 7-to-1, which is absolutely incredible. Imagine the amount of money you could have made if you had risked 3% of your account per transaction using this strategy. You don't need to use any premium or paid indicators, you can use it for free. In fact, the combination of indicators I discovered yields outcomes that are even better than some premium tools that cost hundreds of dollars. This trading strategy generates a large number of high-quality signals each day and can be used to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, and Forex. You only need the Heiken Ashi candlesticks, the super trend indicator, as I already stated. Before we get started, traders, make sure to hit the like button on this video and subscribe to Trading Factory. My goal with this channel is to quickly transform you into a successful trader. Let's define a super trend indicator before moving on to the trading rules. A super trend indicator is plotted on either above or below the closing price to signal a buy or sell. The indicator changes color based on whether or not you should be buying. If the super trend indicator moves below the closing price, the indicator turns green and it signals an entry point or points to buy. The indicator will display a sell signal in red if a super trend closes above it. You'll also notice that the crossover point is where the buy or sell signal is produced. When a sell signal is produced and the indicator turns red, the closing price will be seen to be lower than the indicator value. Likewise, when a buy signal is generated and the indicator turns green, you will see that the closing price is higher than the indicator value. By the way, the super trend indicator gives signals for placing stop losses and firm support and resistance levels for traders to enter and exit trades. In order to prevent false signals during sideways market momentum, as previously stated, I will use 3 super trend indicators in this strategy. A super trend indicator is very effective when the price is trending, but since the market only trends 20 to 30% of the time, we do need to use 2 additional super trend indicators to ensure that we join the trade during an established trend. Make sure to stay for the end of the video so that I can demonstrate the settings. Let's now go over the specific guidelines for both lengthy and short entries. The conditions listed below must be fulfilled for a long signal to be confirmed. First, a purchase label needs to be printed below the price bar. Second, the other 2 super trends need to be green at the time the label is printed. Third, the Heiken Ashi candlestick needs to be bullish with no lower wick. The stop loss will be placed at the second super trend. Exit a winning trade when the indicator signals a sell. Keep in mind that the trade must be lucrative in order for you to close the account. Not all of the trades will have such a high risk-reward ratio. Some trades may have a regular 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 risk-reward. The point is that if you constantly give yourself a chance of winning big, you will make a lot of money in the long run. That's how trading works. The key is sticking to your strategy and managing your money smartly. Even if you encounter a losing streak, it doesn't matter. You must remain emotionally stable and carry on doing what you are supposed to do. Here's another illustration of a buy trade. Observe how long-term super trends change from being optimistic to being bearish. This is a sign of an uptrend. A buy signal was then printed. All we have to do to place a trade is wait for the candle bar to close. If the trade turns profitable, we close the position after the indicator gives a sell signal. For short trades, do the opposite. First, a sell indication must be printed, and when it does, the remaining super trends must be red. Additionally, the Heiken Ashi candlestick must be bearish and it cannot have an upper wick. If these criteria are satisfied, put a sell order at the start of the following price bar, set the stop loss at the second super trend, and close out a profitable short trade when you get a buy signal from the super trend indicator. Traders, share your most effective strategy in the comments if you enjoyed the video, and don't fail to like it if you did. This will be very beneficial to the community. Okay, let's learn how to set up this sign. Register for business first. View and view any chart. Then add 3 super trend indicators to the chart by searching for them in the indicators menu. Now access the settings on the first one and change the ATR multiplier to 1.2, then go to the style section and disable everything except for buy and sell signals. Open the settings for the second super trend, leave the multiplier at 3 and disable the buy and sell signals in the style section. Lastly, proceed to the settings of the third super trend and change the ATR multiplier to 10. Also uncheck the buy and sell signals. Once you've finished with the settings, the chart should resemble the one below. Now, open the indicators menu once more and check for volume. Add this indicator for additional trend confirmation. In order to save your time, you can create alerts for these buy and sell signals. The way you can do that is by clicking on the alert button at the top and selecting the first super trend as the condition. As for the signal, you can choose buy, sell, or even both. Set the alert to occur once per bar close. Okay. So now that you know the trading setup, let's actually do our backtest on a 5-minute time frame and see if the outcomes are reasonable or not. I just finished the backtesting, and these results have surprised me. Our win rate is 70%, and the profits end up at 11%. I would also like to mention that these results will be different when trading live, so always try the strategy for yourself before using it. Guys, feel free to run back and forward testing on various markets and times to gauge how well it performs. If you want to see one of my other trading strategies I use when day trading, check this video right here, because this strategy works great on the every time frame you want. I'll see you guys next time.